Top 10 Shoe Store in Vancouver. 1. Totem Pole Shoe Repair, 4.9 166 reviews, Any Highway 99. 2. Fleet Feet Vancouver, 4.8 431 reviews, SE Mill Plain Boulevard. 3. When the Shoe Fits Salmon Creek, 4.7 138 reviews, Any Highway 99 number 100. 4. Foot Traffic Vancouver, 4.7 66 reviews, SE Chkalov Dr number 122. 5. When the Shoe Fits, 4.6 86 reviews, Southeast 160th Avenue. 6. Vans, 4.4 104 reviews, Any Vancouver Mall Dr space number 259. 7. When the Shoe Fits Grand Central, 4.4 62 reviews, Columbia House Boulevard. 8. Journeys, 4.4 42 reviews, Any Vancouver Mall Dr. 9. The Good Feet Store, 4.3 208 reviews, Any Vancouver Mall Dr Suite number 120. 10. Red Wing Vancouver, Washington, 4.3 196 reviews, Northeast Hazel Dell Avenue number 107.